Hey there, parents. Today we're talking about a dirty little secret that nobody wants to talk about, and that's bedwetting. We want to give you a special message for every mom and dad who need to get their child to stop bedwetting but can't figure out how. Hi, my name is Michael with Nexi Sleep Wellness Centers, and if you want your child to stop bedwetting, then you need to pay very close attention. Too many moms and dads today hope that their child will just simply grow out of this horrible condition, but nothing could be further from the truth. Did you know there may be an underlying cause to why your child wets the bed? And if you're a parent who wants their child to stop bedwetting, then this is exactly what you're looking for. But first, let's talk about what might be going on with your child. Research has linked the following signs and symptoms to a possible root cause. We call it the silent crisis in America. There are visible symptoms that we really see and experience, and bedwetting happens to be amongst them. There is an underlying cause, what's really going on, that could be a compromised airway. And what's interesting, there's a possible root cause. How did we get this way? And this is really what we're going to go over in the parent education webinar that we're going to be putting on. Research has really shown that 9 out of 10 kids suffer from one or more of these conditions, and that's why it's a silent crisis. A lot of people just don't even know that they have the problem. And this is what we're really going to be discussing and educating everybody on, is how we can overcome these. And the question really is, could obstructed breathing be linked to bedwetting disorder? We want you to join us for a free parent education webinar that really we're going to start discussing and learning the real reason why your child wets the bed. We want you to learn the possible root cause of what's really happening with your child. Learn how to resolve bedwetting fast and forever. Parents, you're never going to look back. Help your child gain the confidence they're looking for, which is very important, and get the results that you want as a parent. And what makes this even better, guys, is you'll possibly start seeing results within weeks. So again, if you're a parent who wants their child to stop bedwetting, please understand this. Waiting for your child to, just simply grow out of it may not work. Waiting may only worsen the problem. Bedwetting can have a negative psychological and social cost on your child. It also causes stress, creates additional workload, and makes other emotional impacts on parents. The result is a life full of anxiety, frustration, and struggle for both children and their parents. Nexi Sleep Wellness Centers hold the key to your success with overcoming bedwetting. Here's the thing, guys. We know wisdom is great, and we also know the solutions are great. But without action, nothing really happens. And today we have something for you to take action on. We want you to learn more about bedwetting and its link to sleep-disordered breathing. What we have found could be the thing you've been looking for to help your child. Another thing that got me to really understand the problem was really understanding the link between the symptoms and the underlying cause of the problem. So if you feel your child would benefit from learning more about this breakthrough, we've put together a free parent educational webinar for you. In this free webinar, you're going to learn how sleep-disordered breathing is linked to such symptoms as bedwetting, ADD, ADHD, bruxism, which is teeth grinding, and more. You're going to learn how to recognize the symptoms of sleep-disordered breathing. You're also going to learn the options that parents have to stop bedwetting amongst other different conditions. So parents, click the link below, sign up for the free parent education webinar. Learn what you can do to stop bedwetting fast and forever. You're not going to regret this. Click the link below.